have here a race car. I'm going to open it up and show you all the fun things inside. All right, so I'm gonna open it up. And first thing you see is a really, really fun race car. Underneath, we got the batteries and the remote. So this race car comes with everything that you need. It comes with 2 batteries, comes with a little screwdriver, and the charger cable to charge the batteries. So it has everything you need. You will just need to get some batteries for the remote as well. So I got this remote car because I have kids, and my husband also loves remote cars, and they are really fun for all ages. So we are gonna have a lot of fun with it. So you'll want to connect the battery inside until it clicks. Then you'll push in the battery inside the little compartment and then put the top on and then screw it back on tight. It has a horizontal 360-degree spin. It also does a vertical 180-degree flip. It has 2 powerful motors. It runs fast and reaches a speed of 10 miles per hour. It has a no signal interference with a 2.4 gigahertz remote control. So this toy car is really fun. It's a really easy remote car to use. It does fun tricks. It's a really, really good toy for any kid, any adult, anyone that loves cars.